Well, new purchase. My brother picked this up. 95 Arctic Cat Cougar, 550 liquid. Just got done waxing her up. Man, she shines up like a fucking beaut. Just look at that. Especially like that part of the sled. Heh, fuck skidoo. Actually pretty decent sled. Got it for 550. She needs a little work in the rear suspension. Buying Fox shocks tomorrow, Saturday. It's registered. The seat's a little torn. Picking up the seat on Saturday too. $60, brand new. It's all black, so none of this gay purple crap. But orange looks crappy too. I don't know why they did that paint scheme, but whatever. It's Arctic Cat, I guess. Runs pretty decent. It's got 3,100 miles. I think that's a different tack. I think so. Not sure. But just had her warmed up, so here we go. Yep, she needs a little carb cleanse. She was a little boggy right there at the start of the sled, which I can fix that. Oh, there's some wax. That'll burn off. Yeah, she's kind of dirty underneath. Look at all that fucking rust shit. In the spring, when I take it apart, pull the motor, pressure wash it out, because I like clean sleds. I don't like a dirty sled. Like I always say, clean sled's a happy sled. So got a pretty decent clutch on it. It's pretty brand new actually. Secondary probably needs to go through a little bit. Other than that, it's a pretty good deal. So yeah, that's Luke Duke 2048. Keep rapping down the trails.